Hi guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. So for today, ang i-share ko naman sa inyo ay another easy recipe that adults and even kids will love. At ito ay ang chicken karaage. So guys, ang chicken karaage ay actually nag-originate from Japan. Pero ang gagawin nating recipe ngayon ay dadagdagan natin siya ng isang ingredient lang para meron siyang Pinoy twist. At ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga ingredients na kailangan natin. For our chicken karaage, the ingredients that we need are boneless chicken thighs, and kinat ko na siya into bite-sized pieces. Kasi mas malasa guys ang chicken thighs kaysa sa chicken breast. Although, your other alternative is to use chicken breast if you want. Tapioca starch, salt, pepper, garlic powder, mirin, and for our Pinoy touch, we are gonna be using maggi savour with calamansi flavoring. So, let's get started. So guys, here is our chicken thighs, and what we're gonna do is isi-season natin yung ating chicken, and then we will have to marinate it for 1 to 2 hours para manuot yung flavor niya sa ating chicken. So we'll start with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and gagamit lang tayo ng dash of mirin. And for our Pinoy twist, gagamit tayo ng maggi savour with calamansi. If you don't have the calamansi flavor, you can also use just the regular maggi seasoning. So, yan. Okay. So, yan. Iko-coat lang natin siya with our seasoning. So again, we'll marinate this for 1 to 2 hours, depende sa timing nyo. Pero mas maganda kung papaabutin nyo ng mga 1 hour para talagang magiging malasa ang ating chicken. And then after, pag ipa-fry na natin siya, saka natin siya iko-coat na ating tapioca starch. Okay guys, after 1 hour, ito na yung ating tapioca starch, and here is our chicken. So, i-coat lang natin yung ating chicken with our tapioca starch. Yan. I-coat lang natin. And then, we will fry it. Ayan guys, well coated na yung ating chicken. So, we are now ready to fry. Okay guys, so mainit na yung ating oil. Ipa-fry na natin ang ating chicken thigh. Yan. Huwag niyong masyadong punuin para hindi crowded yung ating pan. And then, hintayin lang natin until mag-golden brown siya. And then, tapusin natin yung pagprito. Guys, ready na ang ating chicken karaage. Here it is. And gumawa na din pala ako ng sauce with just kewpie mayo and then kewpie mayo with ketchup. So, titikman na natin. Gamit tayo ng chopstick. Kuha lang ako ng maliit na piece. So, tikman muna natin with our kewpie mayo. Bango. Naririnig nyo ba yung crunch? Super crunchy niya and super malasa siya guys. Tikman naman natin with kewpie and ketchup. Perfect guys. Ang sarap. Sana man-try nyo din siya at home very soon. So that's it for our video today, guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating chicken karaage recipe for today. And as always, if you like this channel, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. See you guys again. Bye!